that's got to cost a little bit. 2 mil? Yeah.
It's CK, so it's Ventilla certified, everything's matching. It's very stored. We got a local guy.
Look at that interior.
More stuff on it. Less starts up. Right, that's good.
62? 63. 250 Lusso. Yeah, it is. It is beautiful. So horsepower on this is
800.
that's plenty.
Oh yeah. I think the car only weighs maybe 3,000.
Really? That's pretty good power to weight.
It's all carbon fiber.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see that. Pretty nice weave. Is this one the customer's hanging on to for a bit, or are they looking to kind of...
Yeah, he never gets rid of stuff.
Is this Richard?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's a little air dam in front there. That's where it kind of puts the bubble of air over you.
Yeah, that's a virtual windscreen.
Virtual windscreen.
Yeah.
So it rams into that front piece.
And forces it up over the top of the driver.
Oh, right. Through that outlet right there. Yep. Creates a little bubble.
But this is cool because it's full digital. This is all touch.
Yeah.
So when you put your foot on the brake and then start it up,
Yeah.
it all lights up.
This actually, the seat is pretty comfortable.
It's pretty comfortable. That's why I say it, right? Like
there's
and then headroom, you've got way more than you would expect.
Yeah.
You're not living too good, but
yeah,
it's close.
But
right?
you know what? It's not bad.
But to do an all day, like I mean, this is a touring car, right? So
Yep.
to do an all day drive in this car, you'd be all right.
Yeah, you're not gonna fit. I mean, the DB11 has those. I can actually fit a kid back there. A small
They're a
kid.
little bit bigger though.
It's
a little bit.
It's a bigger car
because the interior is a little bit longer, so it fits
for sure.
better.
I mean,
'Cause
this
is,
yeah.
the total space is nearly the same as the Portofino, but
this is a nice
it's
place to
more
live,
for
though.
It's the more for the driver and the passenger. Right?
Yeah.
You know the back seats, like so they call it a 2+, but it's cool.
All right, so brake on.
You have to hold down. You have to hold it down to start it up.
Oh, it sounds good. Don't want to kill you.
It's fine, but it
Look
shows
at that.
you all this, right? So this is full. If you hit view max, it's gonna sort through the different. So it'll show you all the different
Options.
display options.
That's a nice looking display.
It's
It's
way
clean.
cool. Then when you hit view max, it'll rotate through a full navigation screen, and then we'll have.
Oh wow. Yeah.
sports
That's a
screen.
full screen.
Just the rev.
Yep.
And then it'll have like directions underneath.
Oh, that's pretty
G meter
cool.
on the side, and then you still get your speedometer.
Boy, this would make a great GT car, wouldn't it?
Oh, it's way good. But it's super smooth.
And even better, I hear Van Halen.
Just for you. Just for you.
Nice.